It is for you. Come and collect it. Because a trouble to troubles.
What's your role? What's your role in the series?
In series you know, anytime you meet Papa Kumasi and I drink a biggie around Batman, so Fioto around Louisa, Matilda, Apostle Brother Sammy, a lot of stars. You know, this series Educhum, and on a bluff, I am called Educhum. You understand me? You better say what as a friend I make America.
So what's your role in this movie?
Yeah, my role is I'm Guy. So
yeah, the camera is still on you.
Yeah, I'm Guy. I'm a student. I'm crazy. Anytime Papa Kumasi fuck up, I beat him. You know, yeah, my small boy is biggie. Also, one and just winning. Yes, moving, where serious na a both for my back take a crowd. A funny about Yankasaqua. Maria Mum Pebby, yeah, Baba, say what you say. Yeah, Casabe, feel to me.